Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is parts of sentence. Earlier we know about the kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Today we will know about the parts of sentences. Today we will know how many parts a sentence has. So let's start the topic. In simple terms, a sentence is a set of words that contain two parts. How many parts are there? Two parts, subject and predicate. So simply you can say a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Now let's discuss about them in detail. Here there is a definition of subject and predicate. At first we will know what is subject. Subject is the naming part of the sentence which tells who or what the sentence is about. Means sentence का वो पार्ट जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि सेंटेंस किसके बारे में है. This part is called the subject of the sentence. As you can see in the example, the rabbit ate the carrot. So अगर मैं कहूँ ये सेंटेंस किसके बारे में है, so simply this is about rabbit. So the rabbit is the subject. Here rabbit is the subject of the sentence. Now what is predicate? Predicate is the telling part of a sentence. It tells what happened. Means predicate वो पार्ट होता है जो बताता है कि क्या हुआ है या फिर सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है. What is the subject doing? As you can see the same example, the rabbit ate the carrot. You know very well that here rabbit is the subject. If I ask what did the rabbit do, then the answer will be ate the carrot. Rabbit ने क्या किया? Ate the carrot, यानी कि इसने कैरेट खाई, गाजर खाई. So here ate the carrot is the predicate. Simply you can say means subject is the naming part जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And predicate is the telling part which shows that the what the subject is doing. Subject क्या कर रहा है वो part predicate होता है. I hope it is clear to you then what is subject and what is predicate. Now see some example of subject and predicate and try to find out subject and predicate from these examples. First example is Johnny opened the umbrella. So here Johnny, we are talking about Johnny, that's why it is subject. And what did the Johnny do? Then he opened the umbrella, that's why it is predicate. Similarly in the second example we are talking about umbrella, that's why it is subject. And how is umbrella? It was blue, that's why it is predicate. Here he looked up, then we are talking about he, that's why he is subject, and looked up is predicate. Next example, the star is yellow, we are talking about star, that's why this is subject. And how is the star? The star is yellow, that's why is yellow is predicate. In the last one, he is holding a star, he is subject. And what is he doing? He is holding a star, so is holding a star is predicate. Now students, I hope it's clear to all of you then what is subject and what is predicate. Thank you class.